am here at a customer's house. I don't know if you see on the outside of this window, there is a lot of hard water. You can see it there. You see it all there. So, and what happens with this is the sprinklers from the grass over there come and hit this, and that's what just happened. But if you see the little white spots here, that's hard water. So I'm gonna show you how I removed that from a simple pane here, but I just wanted to show you from the inside before we go outside. But all those spots are hard water. So all of that's hard with this camera. I'm gonna do this on my iPhone, so I bring my GoPro. See if we back away a little bit. Yeah, you can see all that hard water there. So let me show you how I remove all that hard water from the glass. I'm really hoping this phone catches on this, because I've been trying to do this for a long time. So you guys saw this on the outside, I mean on the inside out. So this is the hardest thing about doing hard water videos, is that it's super hard to actually get it on camera unless it's really bad. So the good thing to know is hard water comes in so many different grades as far as levels. The master of hard water, hope he doesn't get mad about me naming his name, is Mark Tanner. Just the master. He just knows what to do. Don't go bother him, but he knows exactly what to do with everything. My experience with hard water is pretty much this. I don't go extreme hard water or anything like this, but the reason why I like products like Diamond Magic is just because they're simple and safe. It does a really good job. I would say for me, hard water, if it's really extreme, I do what I can with like 3 or 4 passes of Diamond Magic, and I do use a microfiber pad like this. So this is the Maker Hedgehog 6-inch. And I like microfiber because it doesn't scratch anything. You do want to go soft with this, especially I would just suggest using like a white pad or one of these when applying it, or just being careful with the pressure. You can scratch the glass. So basically what I've already done is I've already cleaned this window. But as you can see, I don't know, what happened was the sprinklers turned on before I was going to do the hard water, so I just stopped. But what I'll do is I'm just going to show you exactly what I do, and hopefully we get pretty good results here. Sometimes it can vary as far as what we get, but I'll try to angle the camera, I hope, so that you're seeing everything. So I'll wash this again just to show you that there is hard water on here. And it's pretty smooth, but you hear that's the hard water. So what I do when I don't have too much of this, so I gotta be careful, is I just put a good size of like that, and then I just start rubbing it into the glass. Now, a good thing they say not to do is don't let it dry on the glass. I try to make it last pretty good. I find with Diamond Magic, that's not too much of a worry. You can already feel it giving way here. But the nice thing about this, I'm not going to scratch the glass with this pad when it's dry. The only way these little things scratch windows is if you use those on the inside of anything. I'm just applying it to the glass here. I'm not putting a crazy amount of pressure. I'm just putting enough to get it on there. Okay. I think the directions are gone, but let's see here. Do not allow product to dry. It's one of the important things on there. So right when it gets like this, I wet it right away. Some people use a squirt bottle and rinse it down. What I always do is I always do my hard water windows last, and then I'll wash my sleeve. You'll notice as you go on the window, your rubber will bleed a lot as it removes that, but a good amount of that is already gone from the glass. So I will do another. I really hope I have enough here to get this other window done. hard water like this, if it's a lot of windows, I charge at 85 an hour. Like this, I just do it for free at the end. This is only one window, and it's really not that bad. So I just throw it in with the regular job. Circular motions are fine. You also don't want to go too hard, like I've said. It's even on the directions that you can scratch the glass going too hard. And I have scratched glass doing bronze wool, and this mod is sit for a sec here. Alright, now we're gonna hit it with this, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a white pad for just a little bit extra scrubbing power. Usually I'll use bronze wool on this step, but I can feel that the window is a lot better. Sometimes hard water removal isn't about getting everything off the window, but you can make things look a lot better. A stronger product is One Restore. One Restore, you just want to be careful with your surroundings, just what you're doing it around, and just be careful. It's a lot stronger. So it's grabbing quite a bit, but all the hard water is gone. Off that window. So we'll do this again. And it always just takes a couple to get that like diamond magic cream off. So it just bleeds so bad. It's so funny how it does that. So now I'm gonna do it with my other squeegee. It's a colder day out too. Boom. So that is how I remove hard water. And that's it. I just have to repeat the steps on this window, but that's it. It's exactly what I do for hard water. So I hope that helps. I know y'all been wanting this video for a while. Sorry it's on my iPhone, so sorry if it's a little bit weird, but that is exactly what I do to remove hard water in my area.